Hello again, this is John. These are a few places you can find our properties, and there's a lot more. Have a look around. If you want to contact me, please feel free. Okay, I'm back on the line. I have a cold, as you can probably tell. Our website has been under attack, but we're with it now. Hello.
This is from the side of the street, that old house. The street is like a nature road now. You have asphalt, but no one driving over here, and just the nature take the road. The house is mud, not very big, with a garden about 1,400 square meter, or in the description you can read more about it. And there is one old garage. I'll try to reach there to show you the garage. The village is very quiet, not much people live here. Konak is just 20 minutes away from town Popovo. You can see the road is all very grassy. This is the garage, tin one, which probably you will have to demolish, and the garden, it's down there. And we go to see more inside in the garden, what state the garden is. But again, the house needs renovation. It's old. There is a water and electric, but it's stopped for the winter. The water meter is winterized to don't get freezing. And there is the ruins left from the barn. You can see the side of the barn, and this on the front is the another little building. And there is the house. Hello, good day. I am Yana, and I am in village Konak. Nice and quiet, hilly village. Everywhere surrounds are forest, fields, and beautiful nature. Today I present you the cheap house which need our work. Very old, probably 100 years old, with maybe 1,200 square meter land. You can check later more in a description, with a little tiny garage in a garden, which is like a rubbish tin. On the first ground floor there is a small basement, which I'll show you in a minute. This here, the border of the front garden, is bordering like that, where my finger is, and I will show you in a minute how the garden continuing down and reach down to the another road. All this is part of the garden, which is the vegetable garden. But you can see it, how grassy is. And now I'm going to show you the ground floor, where is this little tiny basement, which is only one room. The property still have water and electric. They just winterized the water to don't have some broken pipe. Here is messy and filthy. All nice old big beams are still here, and lots of jars left from the owner who 100% sure preserve lots of vegetables through the winter. And here the garden is separated on a few separate gardens, like for animals, for flowers. This is the barn which is collapsed over there, and here is the rest of the garden. This is the main gate into the road, which is only asphalt road, which is really grassy now. How I already mentioned to you, the garden and the house will need lots of work. We line on a main floor where are 3 houses and a little storage. The house is little and cute and need work. The house is more of 100 years old. There is a little roof leak into the room. The situation with this leak is because the barn is collapsed and break little bit of the roof of that house, and there is the leak at the moment. But is enough cheap if someone like to start a new project. This is the little corridor. Here the storage. They create a tiny kitchen with a sink. This is the road the window which look on the side of the main road, which is supposed to visit the property, but is all wild and grassy at the moment. And here we have 2 more rooms where the walls are from mud, the floors are from mud. Typical old Bulgarian house. With an old wood burner on the side. It's a really small project, small house, small project for someone. And this must be the living room for the family. Over there on the wall is the old owner who passed away a long time ago. And here, that window, look at down, south looking is the house to the garden where I was already there before a little while. That is from this little house in village Konak. Nice adventure for someone who will like to create a home in Bulgaria for himself. I'm going to show you the rest of the garden next to the barns. You got here some barns on the left, lots of broken tiles, and all this here down is part of the garden, but you cannot see it because it's very overgrown with trees and bushes. But there is a lot of fruit trees. You have walnut trees, pear, apple, plums, Queen's fig tree, and over there you can see it where the barn is collapsed. That is the reason why in the room upstairs, the first one on the left, the roof, the ceiling is leaking at the moment. If you like to invest small money in Bulgarian property, contact us and we can show you this little property here in a rural village of Konak. Contact us, bg.house. Have a good day.